Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics you can fix fast. Check Xbox Live status, then verify your NAT type, open, moderate, or strict, because NAT controls party traffic. Once done, update the console system and the Xbox app. Outdated builds block party features. Next, restart the console, the router, and any headset. This clears temporary network or device locks. Make sure you sign out and back into your Xbox profile so tokens refresh, and then try rejoining the party immediately. Now dig into network and permission layers. Enable UPnP on your router, or forward ports TCP 3074 and UDP 88, plus UDP 3074 for consistent voice traffic. Once done, run the network test on Xbox to spot packet loss or IP conflicts. Assign a static IP to the console if DHCP misassigns. Then review Xbox privacy and online safety to allow voice and multiplayer, and ensure the friend isn't blocked. These steps address the most common middle-layer failures that stop party joins. Finish by clearing local saved network or party caches. Go to Settings, Storage, and remove persistent data tied to the Xbox Live service. This forces fresh connections. If problems persist, reset network settings or perform a console OS refresh that keeps games but reinstalls system files. Make sure to document any error codes and run another network test. If nothing works, contact Xbox support with those logs. Troubleshooting tip: run the party with mobile Xbox app to isolate console versus account issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.